Hello children, today let us learn the comprehension for the lesson Little Bobby from Unit 1 Part C. Now let's have a quick glance at the points to remember to have an effective comprehension. Keep in mind, write the answer in the tense in which the question is asked. Do not write the sentence as it is from the passage. Write the answer as short as possible. And never start any answer with because. Generally, when there is a question asking why, we jump into writing because or start the answer with because. That is incorrect, children. We should never start any answer with because, never start any sentence with because is a conjunction and it should be written in the middle of the sentence. Then for better presentation, draw a line after each answer and write the question number which is given in the question paper for the respective answer. Now on to the comprehension. I believe you all remember the story of Little Bobby. Let me give you a recap for this. Little Bobby was a troublemaker and he always found trouble here and there. And he wanted to have a bike for his birthday. And as his mother was cooking dinner, he went and asked her for a bike as a birthday gift. But his mother did not want to gift him just like that. She wanted him to reflect on his behavior the previous year. So she asked him to write a letter to God reflecting on his behavior the previous year. Now on to the comprehension. Choose the correct answer. Bobby's mother was making lunch, dinner, breakfast, special dishes. Yes, the right answer is dinner. Bobby wanted to tell his mother about his school, his friends, his birthday, his pet. Yes, he wanted to tell about his birthday. That is, he was asking for a gift for his birthday. So here the event he is indicating is his birthday. Then, Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. What does the word troublemaker mean here? The option A is one who is always in trouble. Option B, one who rescues from trouble. Option C, one who stirs up trouble. Option D, one who cheers others. Yes, the correct answer is one who stirs up trouble. Now on to the question and answers. What gift did Bobby want on his birthday? Now look children, you need to look at the tense in which the question is asked. Here it is, what gift did Bobby? That is, it is in past tense. Hence the answer should also be written in past tense. So you answer it this way. Bobby wanted a bike on his birthday. On to the next question. When is your birthday? What gift do you want from your parents? Now my birthday is on. You have to write in present tense because the question is in present tense. My birthday is on. When you write on, you need to write the date and the month. I want a whatever thing you want, you can fill in the gap over there. I want a bike, or I want a red frock, or I want a red shirt, or a video game, or a PlayStation, whatever. I want a thing, name of a thing there as a gift from my parents. Hope you all understood how to make this comprehension. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.